All right, good morning, kids. I'm doing my Google map traveling around LA looking for little anomalies. And here's a art installation, the light pillars at LAX, installed in 2000 by two artists. One Ted something or other, I can't pronounce his last name. It's one of those long Greek last names, and then a Japanese guy named Tokyo something or other. I should probably be more thorough before I do these videos, but this is one of those art installations again, and just perusing through the airport. Here's the UFO building, or Bob Hope's USO building, and if you guys don't know what a USO is, it's an unidentified submerged object, which are UFOs that go in and out of the water, but I'm sure this is not what they mean by USO. Anywho, oh, and I've seen a USO back in 2000-ish, maybe 1998. Weird experience. I wish I had a camera back then while I was on the beach. I looked out in the water, and where the waves were crashing, there was a line of lights, probably 5 lights in a row, blue, green, red. And you could see them when the waves would crash. And I thought maybe they were scuba divers, but this was a perfectly straight line. Interesting. Just perusing through LAX, and I found something weird. Maybe somebody out there knows what this is, but at the southwest corner of the airport is this thing. A big, rusty metal model of a plane. Does anybody know what this is? And if you go over here, there's parts of planes and another part of a plane. Yeah, so what is this thing? Is this like is this a practice facility? Like firefighters? And these paint lines are weird too. Interesting. So, yeah, check it out. If you drive along this road, there's no way to see this. This is a hill. You can't see over that. Designed on purpose. And yeah, tell me what you guys think this is. It's at LAX. A big old rusty, dusty plane. No windows, no doors. What is this thing? Missing one side here. And what is this? Yeah. Tap in, let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. I'm curious. I like finding these anomalies, these little weirdnesses. Right there on the corner. Dum dum dum.